Before you watch the next video, please remember that my dog already knows this skill. When you're practicing, please remember to take small steps and to repeat the exercise as many times as it takes for your dog to begin to understand and grasp the concept of lateral movement. So be sure to ping pong back and forth between the harder and the easier movements, and be patient with your dog. Your dog will catch on and do just fine. Thank you. This next exercise that we're going to do is called side passes. Our dog, from all that platform work we've done, has a lot of value for turning with us, pivoting with us when the dog is on the inside of the curve. So we're just going to warm up doing a few of those turns. So here we go. Yes! And our dog automatically is turning with us. I'm looking in the direction I'm going. Yes! Good. So you can see he's having no trouble understanding this is the goal. Yes! Yes! Good. So what I'm going to do now, instead of turning 90 degrees, I'm just going to kind of put my foot out here and go slightly not turning. And he came with me. So let's just see if we can get it from behind. Yes? So instead of turning 90 degrees, I'm going to put my foot at a 45-degree angle. Yes! Good. And so we're not quite, yes, we're not quite turning now. We're doing something that's a bit of a turn. Yes, good. But it's not entirely a turn. Now we're not going to do that the whole way around. We're going to just occasionally throw that in. So here's, yes. And what we want to end up with is something that looks a little bit more like this. Yes. So that was me putting my foot straight out to the side. Yes, and my dog coming straight with me. So from the front, it should look a little bit like this. Yes, good. I'm just showing you a few more examples, just so that you can see. Again, I do 90-degree turns at first, and then I will do less than a 90-degree turn. So my dog gets used to doing something that's a bit straighter, but not entirely straight. Once my dog is proficient at doing that angled turn, I can occasionally do something that is a lateral movement. And the lateral movement will look like that. The front and back should move at the same time. So you can see how my dog is moving front and back feet at the same time. One more example. Good boy.